Using Storyboard, a student-friendly language learning tool. By Irum. As a teacher in Pakistan, I am always looking for new ways to engage the children in my classes so that they can develop their language skills. If the teaching approach is not engaging, the learner loses interest, gets distracted, and develops hyperactivity. We can never teach a second language with force or pressure, and for children especially, it has to be enjoyable and if possible fun. In this article, I have shown how the collaborative learning method of storyboarding works best for me. Choose a specific genre to make a storyboard on. If the class has an odd number of students, the group members will also be in an odd setting. Learning with the help of the storyboards in an ESL class gives autonomy to the target learners. The struggling ELLs can also work better on their own when they are given freedom finding solutions to their language problems. There are rare chances of facing an argument among the team members because every team wants to bring something extraordinary in the given time period.